Okay, so I'm back with Bastarz. Make It Rain. It came out 4 hours ago. I'm on a roll. Now, let's see if this roll continues and I get these videos out today. Clock me on it. Because if this came out 4 hours ago, this means this came out on October 30th. Okay, so really I don't feel like there's anything I need to say. Bastarz is back. They are ready to go. They're ready, they're out there, they're ready to freaking party. They're ready to make it rain. That's what I'm ready for. So, Bastarz, Make It Rain. Let's do this. Okay, now let's go. Yo! They knocked out! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's P.O. I said, who in the world is that growling at me? That doesn't even look like P.O. Is that you fun? Oh, yes it is. Looking good. Laying in trash. Oh, bags of money. Hey. That's why I love Bastarz! Oh, look at him. I don't know, y'all gonna have a fit over his hair, but I love it. The child, don't hit him. What you got for you, Quad? Whoa, they're building that with their mind. I make it rain. Hey, it's just lit. I'm not ready for that song to be over. That was lit. That was freaking lit. Yo, that was good, yo. Real shit. That was good. Bastarz stay making, like, Block B in general, they make, their music is meant for you to go hard to. They know exactly who they're trying to appease to. They ain't trying to let me stop. They know exactly who they're trying to draw into their music, and let me tell you, it's working. Yo, that song was lit. I'm shook. That was good. That was good. Holy crap. Freaking, I can't even go on. Yo, freaking Yukon laid out in a bag of money saying, yo, freaking playing, like, gambling and winning. B-Bomb drunk the entire time. I don't think there was a single moment where B-Bomb wasn't drunk. P.O. growling at me. Yo, this was lit. It was so lit. That was good. I feel like I'm gonna be listening to that song so much now. Like I'm gonna be listening to that like every day. That's gonna be my new go-to I gotta go to work song. Cause everyone needs the I gotta go to work playlist, but you also need that one song that you have to listen to before you go to work or your day's gonna be bad. I feel like everything was just so much more like pronounced. Like it was just so much better than what like I was expecting it to be. Like I don't know, I guess after listening to Selfish, I think that's what it's called, Selfish, after listening to that, I didn't know what to expect, because even though that song was good, it wasn't like go hard, like, you know, like you couldn't like Millie. I'm just kidding, you probably could, but like this one, like it triggered something in me. It triggered something. It was good. Yo, Bastarz. Their last album, the little like album that they put out for like with their Zero for Conduct, is that the name of the album? Zero for Conduct album was good. If the rest of this mini album, I don't know if they're putting out a mini album, I don't know what they're doing, or if they're putting out a full album, sounds like Make It Rain, then I'm already sold. I'm buying it. Oh my gosh. Bastarz. Lighting it up. Making it lit, yo. Alright, I got nothing else to say. I'm gonna go listen to this like 3 more times. But have a super bombastic, awesome-tastic day. I'll see you in the next time I make a video, which I hope will be very soon. And I love you so very, 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 very much, interwebs.